AE WorkManager is a time tracking panel that lives inside After Effects. It lets you log exactly how long you spend on each part of a project, editing, tracking, color grading, rendering, and turns that data into a clean report when you're done. To open the panel, go to Window, then Extensions, and select AE WorkManager. You can dock it anywhere in your workspace. Drag the title bar to any edge of the After Effects window and it stays there between sessions. When the panel opens, it reads the name of your current After Effects project and sets it as active automatically. If you work across multiple projects, use the project drop-down to switch between them. Or select New Project to add one manually. To start tracking, click any activity button. The panel starts logging time silently in the background. No visible countdown, no pressure. When you move to a different task, click that activity. The previous segment saves automatically and the new one begins. If you step away from your desk or take a break, click pause. The timer stops and nothing is logged until you click resume. Only the time you actually spend working gets counted. At the bottom of the panel, you can see a live summary of today's work. Each activity with its total time. If you have show costs enabled in settings, you'll also see the running cost next to each entry. When you're ready to review your work, click Session Summary. You'll see a full breakdown, time and cost per activity, a visual bar chart showing the proportions, and a total at the bottom. This view does not start automatically. It appears only when you ask for it. Click HTML Internal to generate a full report. A folder picker opens. Choose where to save it. The file opens in any browser and shows everything: activity names, time, hourly rates, cost per activity, a session log with timestamps, and the project total. This version is for your own records. Click HTML Client to generate the client-facing version of the same report. It shows activity names and time, but no hourly rates and no per-activity costs. Your pricing stays private. The file is ready to attach to an email or invoice. Click Export CSV to save a spreadsheet-ready file. It contains every track session as a separate row: project name, activity, date, start time, duration in minutes, hourly rate, and cost. Use it in Excel, Google Sheets, or any billing tool. Click the gear icon next to the project selector to open settings. Here you can rename any activity, change its hourly rate, add a new activity, or remove one you don't need. Click Save as Defaults to apply this configuration to all future projects. Reset to Defaults brings back your saved baseline. In Settings, you can also set your currency. Enable Show Costs in Main View if you want to see running totals directly in the panel while you work. Disable it if you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free view. Also in Settings, under Projects, you can rename a finished project or remove it from the list. The currently active project is protected. It cannot be deleted. Removing a project also removes all its tracked sessions. If After Effects closes unexpectedly, a crash, a force quit, a power cut, your data is not lost. The panel saves every segment to disk after each activity switch. The next time you open the panel, everything is restored automatically. AE WorkManager. Know your time, own your rate.